Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and we are back with another Blindsided Creations. And once again, it's from Minutecraft. This is her Instagram page over here. So if you haven't already, go follow her. And let's see what we got for a pattern. It is 31966. 31966. All right, what do we got? Ooh. Oh, that's kind of interesting. It's the kind of pattern that just repeats itself an awful lot. But we can have fun with this. What do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4 of the black. 1, 2, 3 colors. Interesting. Okay. Give it a shot. Alright, so it is Windows Shift and S will let me carve out a little piece of this. So whatever we highlight essentially is copied. And we can bring that back over here and Control V. And it's tiny by comparison. It's also sideways. So let's rotate it 90 degrees and then we can make it bigger. Let's see. Bring it up here some. Okay, so again, it always comes down to this, which to use as the center. It could either be the X or, well, I guess it's two different X's, right? Huh. Both are interesting. Yeah, I think we're going to go with the darker one, just because it seems to be the center of a diamond. That's the only reason I'm choosing that one. I mean, they're both interesting enough. And we anchor that layer. Color-wise, we can do all the colors except for the black. I just don't want to do the black because that's the same as our outlines there. So let's grab the paint tool. Start with this blue. And let's grab a gray. It'll be our black. So that comes out like this. And then this comes back here, and we know that there's only the one strand of it, so obviously that comes back this way. Easy peasy. So this one is here, and this goes this way. And this way. And then this one comes 3 knots, skips 1, and then 3. So this is here. So this green is problematic because we can't see what we're doing. So just to be easier on my eyes, we're going to change that. Because I don't need to be fighting with this the whole time we make it. And then looks like I could do the quarter thing again. And I'm all for it. So let's do that. It skips 1, comes out here for 3, skips 1 this way, and out here. Okay, that's easy enough. This is basically all the way out there. And this is a white. Do we want to use white? No. Let's do something. Let's go with the yellow. Mind you, I have no idea what I'm going to go for the strings themselves. It really doesn't matter so much. So this dark one out here like this. This blue is here, here, and here. And this green is here. Well, that's going to make finding its path really nice and easy, isn't it? So let's work this out. Ooh. Hey, this is going to actually end up in a pretty good spot. Wait. 1, 2, 3. And it skips one. Oh. So it goes out of the picture for that. Okay. I actually thought the green was going to come back in to do one last diamond, but it doesn't. The black comes all the way to here. And then this happens. Well, that's not so bad. That's not so bad at all. Whoops. Okay. Letting my brain to get into the whole, like, understanding what we have now. It's interesting with this, what we're using for the yellow is a white in the original. It's got me wondering, where did it go while it was hiding for all this time? So let's say it goes this way, right? And then it came that way. That's fairly logical. Whoops. And then back out here. And then back out here. And to there. So that's easy. You know, I'd be halfway tempted in just making this like a row longer, just to bring the green back in, to be honest. That would be another interesting way of doing it, but not sure I kind of want the bracelet to be that much longer though. This is already kind of measured out to being the right size for what I make. All right, blue, where does it go? This is, whoops. This is kind of nice. I like the fact that it kind of, you know, out of all of the black strings that there are, that this is actually bouncing off of other colors. It kind of makes the navigating it as we do this, it'll make it just that much easier. So we have all of the green, all of the yellow, and all of the blue. The rest are dark, so let's cheat a little. Grab this color here and fill a whole section. There we go. It made a mess of this over here too. That's hilarious. Yeah, that's how close our other color was. All right, let's grab this tool. Oh, we're on the fixed. All right, so now we're kind of snapped onto the guidelines. Control C, Control V. We can take our flip tool, flip horizontally. Take the move tool and let it snap back onto the grids. And there we have our pattern. Cool. We can now anchor that layer. And now we grab the whole top. Whoops, Control Z. Wrong tool. I need the selecting tool, not the move. All right, and we're snapped onto the grid. Control C, Control V. Go back to the flip. This time we flip vertically. And the move tool. And when I'm just using with the move tool, I can just use the arrow keys to actually move that right into place. Anchor the layer. Slide this over a little bit. Whoops, too far. Wow. So that's an interesting bracelet. I kind of like that. That's nice. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it. And yeah. That's that kind of went together kind of quickly. So hopefully you guys liked how we kind of cut some corners there. Before I go, I want to thank my Patreon supporters for making this possible. And if you haven't already, please hit like and subscribe. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.